Hey, so I just took a trip to Target and I wanted to show you different ideas on how to fill our Mini Dreamkeeper bin. There are 4 different prints and any personalization you see on them comes that way. It's already pre-personalized. 3 of them are pre-personalized. But here are some ideas of what you can fill your bins with. Alright, I started off at Target's dollar spot and found this really cute little bath bomb for just $1. And you can pair that with the little set of nail polish, and that one was $3, cute for a little girl, and fits in the basket really nicely. This little hand lotion is another good idea, and this is a foot soak that you can put both items in there, and also the little body scrub fits in there as well. So cute little bath little gift. How about some pencils for $1? And then I also found some really fun stamp markers. Who doesn't like little stamp markers? So this would be a cute little gift idea for a teacher, or even any of the girls that like to do stationery with cute little accessories. Fits really cute inside. How about this? These are so cute. Kids love to plant seeds. This one was flowers, and they also had other kinds of flowers and some strawberries that fit perfectly inside. There was some nicely scented candles and a nice cup that even can be reused after it's done. So they fit really cute. And how cute are these socks for someone you might know who would be traveling soon? They got little airplane rubber at the bottom. These are only $3. I thought they were so cute. Then I found a collapsible water bottle that fit perfectly inside the bin, and it's pretty tall and fits 18 ounces. I thought that was super cute. Here's another travel set, eye mask, sleeping eye mask, and then these wipes are pretty fun. They're like citrus mint face and body wipes. So that's a cute little pair that fits inside. And if you're like me and you love these succulents, I thought they looked so real. They're $3. They're fake, but they're so cute and lifelike. Look at that. And then this one. Don't they all look really cute? And they fit inside really nice. Now they go down kind of low. So if you're looking to fill with something small, you can always get a filler like these. They were $1 for the pink and the red fillers to fill the space at the bottom. And then these were really cute if you want to put something fun inside. It says baked with love. And really they were 3 for $1, so you could technically get the 3 and just put 1 in each bin, or all 3. And I really loved this. It's really tall. It was $10 and would make a really nice, the bin would make a nice cover for the vase of the potted plant. And then the white flowers go nice inside too, so really cute decor item. Any Hearth and Hand fans? I love the smell of this sea salt and lavender candle for $12.99. Fit perfectly inside. That's a cute gift to give to someone. And I found another set of flowers with a vase. I thought the color of the blush pink was so cute in there. I'm just really drawn to all the potted plants. And hey, there's our little bin. This one fit perfectly inside too. So lots of great ideas. Hope that was helpful.